So I put the cover back up just to protect the camshaft compartment. In that way we can clean off the dirt on the outside. Yeah, all the intake gaskets are pretty much worn out. We replace all of them. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much what I can scratch up from this head now. Yeah, it's a bit cleared up. I'm not gonna wait for the boys to bring on the parts and the CRC can so we can spray clean it. It's easier if you have a compressor and you have a compressed air that you can blow everything out, but in this scenario we gotta have to improvise as much as we practically can. Yeah, I've blown out all the tubing for the fuel nozzle, and yeah, so I've taken out all the fuel nozzles, the injector nozzles. Yeah, we're probably gonna replace a couple of them. Yeah. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, so yep, 3/4 of the day done. Probably gonna continue on tomorrow as well too. But if you can't find some of the gaskets here in the local town, we have to catch the PMV bus and go to a different town again and look for it. So alright, they brought a new head gasket here. We're gonna start putting them back together. Do some cleaning on the engine block first, and then reinstall. Got a new starter motor as well, and the engine oil.